Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change languages in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and now click on general. After clicking on general, scroll down and here you see the option language and region. Click on language and region. Here you can see I have many languages here. If you want to change your language, then simply press and hold on these three lines and then on top your language will be changed. So your language will be changed. Simply press and hold on these three lines and push up. Your language will be changed. So this is the way to change your language in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.